Hi, my name is Chris with Chris Budka Real Estate, and we're at 3789 East Mardia in Meridian, Idaho, centrally located to many amenities, great schools, and endless outdoor recreational activities. Now come on in so we can take a look around. Step inside to discover the effortless flow of this home's layout, highlighted by elevated ceilings with inset coffers, creating a sense of grandeur in every room. The main living areas are perfect for entertaining, with the expansive pantry and modern kitchen providing ample space for all your culinary endeavors. Retreat to the spacious master suite, conveniently located on the main floor, offering direct access to the rear covered patio. Indulge in the serene spa-like atmosphere of the attached master bathroom, complete with luxurious amenities designed for relaxation. Century Farm isn't just a neighborhood, it's a community designed for modern living and convenience. Nestled in South Meridian, Century Farm offers residents the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. With 2 community pools, park-like common areas, and playgrounds, there's always something to do just steps from your front door. Enjoy leisurely strolls along the walking paths that lead directly to Hillsdale Park, the YMCA, and local playgrounds. And don't forget the community barn, where you can gather with neighbors and take in the scenic views of the water feature and conveniently dine at local food trucks. Experience the lifestyle that you deserve. Contact me today for a private tour and discover the beauty of Century Farm living.